Hello students, we are discussing the 11th commerce subject, organization of commerce and management, and in last video we have started to learn the chapter number 8, introduction to management, and we have discussed on the first dimension of management, that is management is an art. Now let's discuss the management as a science. To know the management as science, you must know what is meant by science. So science refers to the systematically organized body of knowledge. Yes, systematic body of knowledge means the science. It is based on the proper findings, exact principles, and capable on verification. The science is based on some findings, based on certain principles, and on the basis of these principles, you get the definite result when you use certain management, certain scientific principles. Any knowledge which is scientifically developed and consists of unnecessarily accepted principle is a science. क्या होता है science? It is any knowledge which is scientifically developed. Science के principles के ऊपर base करता है कोई भी principle and that is accepted as a science. Physics, chemistry, these are the science. Mathematics, it is a science and this is based on certain principles. So management, we can also say it is a science because in organization manager needs to use the various techniques and theories to stimulate the peoples for quality output. लोगों को एक साथ लाने के लिए मैनेजर अलग अलग प्रिंसिपल्स का यूज करता है, जैसे प्रिंसिपल ऑफ यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ यूनिटी ऑफ डायरेक्शन, division of work, authority, responsibility. These are various principles: the planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, controlling, reporting, budgeting. These are all the functions of management. So, which are based on certain principles, and like that, the management can be also say it is a science. In science, we make some formulas like H2O, hydrogen dioxide. मतलब हाइड्रोजन के दो मोलिक्यूल लिए, ऑक्सीजन का एक मोलिक्यूल लिया, so you will get the result as a water. Like that, when we apply the management principles, you will also get the definite result. Like division of work leads to specialization. Authority, responsibility. When you keep the balance between authority and responsibility, you get the good results from your subordinates. And that's it. You will find in organization. So management also gives the results in similar direction. Therefore, it is termed as science. तो हम मैनेजमेंट को भी साइंस बोल सकते हैं. इट इज नॉट द 100% साइंस, बट 99% you will get the definite result if you use the management principles properly. Let's discuss the relationship between science and management. कैसे मैनेजमेंट साइंस है, इन पॉइंट्स के द्वारा हम एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. द साइंस इज द सिस्टमेटिक बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज. साइंस में क्या होता है? प्रिंसिपल्स होते हैं, एक्सपेरिमेंट्स होते हैं, थियरीज होते हैं जिनको हम अप्लाई करके डेफिनेट रिजल्ट्स प्राप्त करते हैं. जैसे एप्पल के गिरने का जो न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ मोशन है, आप कहीं पे भी न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ मोशन अप्लाई करोगे तो कोई भी चीज ऊपर से गिरने वाली धरती पर ही आती है. दैट इज द साइंस विच इज बेस्ड ऑन सर्टन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. लाइक दैट, the management is also the systematic body of knowledge which is based on Henry Fayol's 14 principles of management. मैनेजमेंट के जो 14 प्रिंसिपल्स हेनरी फेयोल ने हमें सजेस्ट किए हैं, उनसे आप जब भी आप ये प्रिंसिपल्स अप्लाई करोगे, यू विल गेट द डेफिनेट रिजल्ट्स बिकॉज द मैनेजमेंट इज आल्सो द सिस्टमेटिक बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज which is based on the principles. Management principles also based on the experiments and studies done through the theories and approaches introduced by the various management thinkers. जैसे हेनरी फेयोल है, F.W. टेलर है, मेरी पार्कर फोलेट्स है. These are the management thinkers and which are given us the management principles which are based on the experiments and the studies, the observations which are done by these experts. Second dimension, use of scientific methods of observation. Like science, management is also use certain scientific methods of observation. Scientific conclusions are drawn only on the basis of scientific methods and observations. Science के जो भी conclusions होते हैं which are based on certain scientific methods, observations, experiments, and they are known as conclusions. The management also uses the systematic methods of data collection. Management में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? For collecting data, we use the different methods. For verification and analysis of that collected data, for interpretation of data, we use the certain management principles. And on the basis of this, decisions are taken in the organization. Management में जो भी decisions लिए जाते हैं, which are based on the scientific principles of management or Henry Fayol's 14 principles of management. The third dimension of the science is cause and effect relationship. अगर साइंस में आप एक experiments करते हो, एक cause करते हो, so you will get the definite result. Means there is the cause and effect relationship you will find in the science. Science is based on cause and effect relationship. Scientific principles give the definite result on certain formulation or certain combination. जैसे हमने अभी भी एग्जाम्पल लिया हाइड्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड का, हाइड्रोजन के 2 मोलिक्यूल, ऑक्सीजन का 1 मोलिक्यूल अगर आपने लिया तो by the combination of this you will get the water, hydrogen chloride, H2O2, hydrogen dioxide. These are the C2O2. These are the various formulas which give the certain results to us when we apply the science properly. Management theories are also based on such relations. Management के जो principles हैं वो भी कुछ experiments पे base करते हैं. They are based on certain theories. कुछ theories management experts ने रखी जो कि आज हम लोग यूज करते हैं और we get the definite result. जैसे हेनरी फेयोल ने कहा है कि डिवीजन ऑफ वर्क, आप काम को अपने वर्कर्स में बांट दो. You distribute the work as per the people's knowledge, talent and skill. So you will get the specialization. एक व्यक्ति जब एक ही काम करेगा तो specialization आएगा. There are various principles he given us like unity of command, unity of directions, spirit the crop. अगर आप spirit the crop को अप्लाई करेंगे मतलब टीम स्पिरिट, अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में टीम स्पिरिट रहेगा मतलब लोग एक साथ कोऑपरेशन से काम करेंगे तो you will get the good result as a team. That is the management theories which are based on relationship. The example here I have given the good salary. If you given the good salary to your employees, they will work motivated. Healthy working conditions, अगर काम की जगह अच्छी है, प्रॉपर वेंटिलेशन है, बैठने के लिए अच्छी चेयर्स है, अच्छी तरीके से एटमॉस्फेयर रखा गया है, तो these things motivate the people to work hard for good result. अच्छे रिजल्ट्स के लिए ज्यादा मेहनत करने के लिए लोग भी मोटिवेट होते हैं. एंड these are the management principles which based on science. Universal applicability of principles. The scientific principles are universally applicable. आप साइंस के प्रिंसिपल दुनिया में कहीं पे भी अप्लाई करो, you will get the definite results. मतलब एप्पल आप इंडिया में ऊपर फेंकोगे तो नीचे आएगा, बॉल है आप अमेरिका में ऊपर फेंकोगे तो वो भी नीचे ही आएगा. That is the Newton's law of motion, which is scientific principles based on certain experiments and the theories. Like that, the scientific principles can be applied in similar situations anywhere. आप दुनिया में कहीं पे भी साइंस के प्रिंसिपल अप्लाई कर सकते हो. The management principles are also universal. मैनेजमेंट के प्रिंसिपल्स भी यूनिवर्सली एप्लीकेबल होते हैं. दुनिया में आप कहीं पे भी मैनेजमेंट के प्रिंसिपल अप्लाई करो, आप डेफिनेट रिजल्ट ले सकते हो. तो while comparing the management and science, we find some experiments, observations and theories in science. Like that, management is also based on the principles, experiments and observations of the management thinkers. And we can say, like science, management is not give the 100% result, but when they are applied, they give the definite results, 99% result. So here the conclusion is that management is the science because science is based on body of knowledge. Management is also based on body of knowledge, and that is the principles of management. It is based on collection of facts, analysis and experiments. Science, like management, is also based on certain facts जो कि मैनेजमेंट एक्सपर्ट्स ने कलेक्ट किया, डाटा एनालाइज किया, हमारे सामने रखा, and now these are known as management principle. Analysis and experiments, अलग अलग तरीके से अलग अलग काम कैसे किया जा सकता है, and what is the good method of getting work done from the subordinates. This is the experiments done by the management experts and which is used worldwide. Universally application, जैसे कि scientific principles are universally applied, like that management principle we can also apply worldwide. They shows the cause and effect relationship. Management principles also show the cause and effect relationship, like division of work, काम को डिवाइड करो तो स्पेशलाइजेशन आता है, एक व्यक्ति एक ही काम करेगा तो वो उसमें एक्सपर्ट बन जाता है, एंड ही रिड्यूस द मिस्टेक्स एंड गेट द मोर एफिशिएंसी. वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ वैलिडिटी एंड प्रिडिक्शन ऑफ रिजल्ट्स पॉसिबल. साइंस के रिजल्ट्स आप प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हो, मतलब हाइड्रोजन के 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स लो, ऑक्सीजन का 1 मॉलिक्यूल लो, तो आपको आप प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हो कि आपको वाटर मिलेगा कहीं पे भी, दुनिया में कहीं पे भी चले जाओ आपको H2O द्वारा वाटर ही मिलेगा. लाइक दैट, नॉट 100%, बट द मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल आल्सो शो द डेफिनेट रिजल्ट्स. सो कैन से मैनेजमेंट एज साइंस. यस, मैनेजमेंट साइंस है. So that's it for today. Thank you.